Rental properties let out on domestic tenancy in Wales are regulated by the Housing Wales Act 2014. Landlords and agents are committing offences if they do not meet their obligations. In short, landlords of rental property need to register, and those actively letting and managing property need to apply for a licence. This applies if the rental property is marketed, let or offered for let under a domestic tenancy. Are you the person who needs to register? The immediate landlord needs to register. In most cases, this will be the property owner who is also named on the tenancy. A landlord could be an individual person, a number of people who own the property jointly, a company or charity, or a trust. Sometimes the same person is involved in a number of these arrangements and will have to complete a separate registration for each. What is registration? It is a requirement to provide information about the landlord and each dwelling they let. The information needed includes contact details, who is responsible for the letting and management at each dwelling, fee payment, and declaration that the information is true and not misleading. Registration lasts for 5 years and all information must be kept up to date. Do you need a licence? Those not involved in day-to-day management simply own a property let out, only have to register and appoint a licensed agent. Anybody who is hands-on with letting and managing rental properties in Wales will need a licence. This could be a landlord or an agent. Letting and management activities which trigger the need for a licence are defined in law. They include dealing directly with tenants, setting up tenancy agreements, serving a notice to terminate a tenancy, and collecting rent. Can you employ somebody else to let and manage your property? Be aware it is an offence to employ an unlicensed agent. Find out if a landlord or agent is complying with the law by checking the online public register on our website. For more information, contact Rent Smart Wales.